Welcome to day 7 of our Navratri series, where we celebrate the vibrant culture of Maharashtra. Today, we dive into the beauty and craftsmanship behind the making of an iconic blue Paithani dress, a symbol of elegance and tradition. Today, I bring to life a fusion of tradition and modern design. Join me as I transform this exquisite blue Paithani fabric into a stunning dress with contemporary frills, adding a playful touch to a timeless classic. I wanted to create a dress that has drama and movement. The Paithani fabric is perfect for this because it holds its shape beautifully while still being soft and comfortable to wear. This design would be perfect for a garba or dandiya night. This dress is for someone who loves tradition but isn't afraid to experiment with fashion. And the Paithani fabric ensures it's still a statement of luxury. Who else but Barbie can carry such an exquisite piece? While traditionally worn as saris, Paithani fabric has found its way into contemporary fashion. Designers today transform these traditional weaves into dresses, maintaining their cultural essence while making them versatile for modern wear. I wanted to respect the tradition while giving it a modern twist, which will also be perfect for occasions like Navratri. The blue Paithani dress retains the sari's elegance, especially with the iconic motifs and zari works. No attire is complete without its distinctive jewelry. Today, I will make an exquisite white stone jewelry set to match the silver zari work of our dress. During Navratri, the spirit of Maharashtra comes alive. The blue Paithani dress, adorned with traditional Maharashtrian jewelry, is a common sight during the seventh day of the festival, as devotees come together to celebrate the power of the goddess. Lavani, a folk dance synonymous with Maharashtra, is often performed during the festive season, adding rhythm and color to the celebrations. The dancers, draped in vibrant Paithani saris, honor the goddess with their graceful movements. Now, let's get Barbie ready for her final look. Whether worn as a sari or transformed into a modern dress, Paithani remains a timeless symbol of tradition and elegance. And here the dress comes to life in motion. It's the perfect outfit for festive occasions, combining the heritage of Paithani with the playfulness of modern design. As I wrap up day 7 of our Navratri series, we celebrate not just the beauty of the blue Paithani dress, but the culture, heritage, and craftsmanship that go into its making. This Navratri, let's honor tradition while embracing its modern expressions. Stay tuned for day 8 of our Navratri series. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.